Here's an interesting group of 4 cars at the Sarasota Car Museum. This first, I have no idea what it is. These are prototypes, and good luck in figuring that one out. I looked up on the website of the Sarasota Car Museum and it wasn't shown there. But the next one is identified. It's a 1961 Seagrave, and I'm assuming Seagrave is the same one that makes the fire engines. And this interesting car, fiberglass, wraparound windshield. And then we have a 71 Stutz Blackhawk. And Virgil Exner was involved in styling this one. Again, the condition is not good here, but where will you ever see another one of these? And it had a monster engine, 472 cubic inch engine, some with Cadillac chassis and some with another chassis. So, and there's the Continental. It's very strange Continental on the back. Very weird. And this one, it looks like a bug of some type. It looks British, but I don't know what it is. And it's too far away to see what the placard said.